everyone. Today I'm going to show you how a combination of NOT gate, AND gate, and OR gate works here in our breadboard. So as you can see, we have a guide here, the truth tables of NOT, AND, and OR gate. So let's proceed. So this is a NOT gate here. See, if our input is on state, our output is off state, and if our input is off state, then our output is on state. As you can see that our dip switch, our input isn't on state, which means our output is off state. I'm going to switch it off, and as you can see, the light turned on. So let's proceed to the AND gate. In AND gate, both inputs needs to be in on state in order for our output to be an on state. So if there's only one on state in each input, then our light will not turn on. As you can see, I'm going to demonstrate here in our dip switch. One input is on, output is off. Vice versa. One input is on, output is off. But if you turn both inputs on, our output is on. That simple. Let's proceed to the OR gate. In OR gate, as long as there is an input that is on state, our output is off state. So I'm going to demonstrate here. One input in our switch number 4, as you can see, in the switch number 5, and both turned on. In on. And if you both switches off, it will turn off. So it's that simple. Thank you.